Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Sokhava indaba zeMamelodi Sundowns. Breaking news bafethu, umvala weMamelodi Sundowns oqeda nje ukubuya ku-injury, ama-injury akudala amhlupha. Futhi-ke uyosikwa futhi esibhedlela. Eyi, ngathi kunzima kakhulu mfethu. Sithemba ukuthi uzokwazi ukurikhavara neMamelodi Sundowns isazokwazi ukubhiliva kuye futhi. But I don't see iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu isazomu-offer enye i-contract. Umvala has missed so many games overall bafethu. I mean, ama-injuries ayamhlupha ngempela, yabo. I-big blow obvious for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi uMthobisi Muthobi Mvala ukuthi angabi khona laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. I-defender vele eline-aggression enkulu, bekuthenjwa ngempela ukuthi uMvala uzokwazi ukuba highly influential for iMamelodi Sundowns this season. Sikhumbule ukuthi ku-defense like abasayinanga abantu laphana ku-back four, especially la kudlala khona uMvala. So isikhala sakhe bazosifila ngempela ukuthi why singekho, and then sobona ukuthi bazodila naso kanjani overall. But obviously it's not an easy thing ukuthi badile naso since bangenzanga ama-signings amakhulu overall. Simfisela inhlanhla mfethu ukuthi sizophinde sibuyele kuye. But yeah, ngizongena ku-Miguel Cardoso bafethu, i-coach eMamelodi Sundowns, ukuthi itheni ngoNuno Santos. Play exciting, super exciting. Umjida yi-superstar, hayi i-star lo mjida lo. And ufundisa ama-midfielders waku-P_S_L ukuthi kuphaswa kanjani, akasabi ukushaya lama-long passes, pinpoint akuthole noma ukudule, i-good pass off the ball. Ayi, maningi ama-qualities engiwabona kumjida. But nawo amagama kalo ka-Cardoso asho ukuthi uzeleni eSouth Africa. Uthi-ke inhlapo yakhe laphana ePortugal ibe ney'nkinga zemali. At the same time uNuno Santos yena bekafuna i-challenge outside ePortugal, and igama obvious Mamelodi Sundowns uthi-ke lim-attract-e after i-FIFA Club World Cup la iMamelodi Sundowns la performe kahle kakhulu. Uthi the fact that ukuthi naye ucoach wasePortugal, ingakho izinto zenzekile vele in terms of i-approach yeplayer nanokuthi iplayer ligcine selifikile kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi nje ufuna enye into ayimentionile, uthi ufuna nje ukutshela ama-Sundowns supporters ukuthi basupporte lesi ama-teams, ama-player amasha overall. I-team futhi yintsha, uthe i-team yintsha but they are growing in confidence kancane kancane. Kuzoba nama-setbacks, but-ke I mean ama-supporters like bazobasiza. I think la kuzama ukukhuluma ngokuthi ama-supporters ungakwazi ngempela ukubasupporta overall. Uthi-ke is looking forward ukuthi umfutho overall wama-supporters laphana from the stands. Uthi-ke uthi bona bazozama ukuthola vele ama-results, but-ke uthi babhilda i-power and futhi into i-strong ezoba strong for years overall. Nde bazoqhubeka babhilde into e-powerful laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. But yeah, sobona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani as iMamelodi Sundowns nanokuthi bazophusha kanjani. It's not gonna be an easy season. Sibonile iMamelodi Sundowns nokuba on and off. Obvious abantu abaningi, especially ama-Sundowns fanatics bafethu, ayasho ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso une-style different, ufike nebhola lakhe. Bona lela bangal-understand because Mamelodi Sundowns, they are used to dominating the play, dominating every day overall. I think must break down the statement less bafethu, show Miguel Cardoso about i-play ukuthi uNuno Santos ufike kanjani overall eSouth Africa when the wire afikile. iMamelodi Sundowns sikhumbula ukuthi iye laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup azange add ama-numbers kuphela, but iMamelodi Sundowns they were remembered after ama-performances wabo. Why? Because baperforme kahle kakhulu bafethu. Sikhumbule ukuthi iplayer labo uLucas Ribeiro bafethu lize lathola ne-goal of the tournament laphana alishaya against against iBorussia Dortmund, i-team enkulu yaseGermany. So iMamelodi Sundowns ikwazile uku-excite abantu ngempela all over the world through ama-performances wabo. I mean sikhumbule ukuthi ama-team wase-Africa awanakwa isikhathi esiningi kuwo wonke lama-competitions lawo, but-ke sengithi bafana iMamelodi Sundowns idlale kahle kakhulu laphana, yakwazi ukudiliva, yakwazi ngempela ukulokhunjana ukwenza izinto zenzeke laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup. And then financially kusho ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ine-financial pedigree compared to amanye ama-teams wasePortugal. iMamelodi Sundowns ayinawo ama-financial problems at all bafethu. So I mean yinto emlethile obvious imali ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns iyakwazi ukubhadala ama-salaries wase-Europe or ama-competitive salaries wase-Europe. But yeah, sobona ukuthi uzodlala kanjani overall. But yeah, umdlali bafethu usuper powerful, u-strong kakhulu, ukuthi uzokwazi ukucontribute laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. I-player leli kumele silibheke isizini yonke because already sesibonisile ama-moments wakhe nama-assist already. I mean, is very skillfully and kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi uzokwenza izinto zenzeke kuMamelodi Sundowns, uzocontribute kakhulu overall. But asibheke esinye i-statement overall esingasikhava laphana. Umfethu usuke e-Europe obviously. I-Europe ibekwa le phezulu uma kukhomperwa nebhola lase-Africa. It's very rare ukuthi umuntu asuke ePortugal azodlala ebholeni lase-South Africa noma lase-Africa overall. I-player of his caliber overall futhi i-player super skillful nanokuthi eli-well developed. Umjetu well developed and mentally u-strong. But-ke kuzobonakala ukuthi uzokwazi uku-adapta kahle ebholeni lase-South Africa. I mean, but so far so good. But-ke you can't judge umuntu nga-2 games. Uyalazi ibhola siyamazi, but-ke simele simjaje ngesizini yonke sibone ukuthi isizini yophela akuphi e-contribute kangakanani. For those of us abangamazi uNuno Santos bafethu, I'll break it down nje kancane or abangakambukeli. Technical u-gifted umdlali. I mean, u-creative ngempela, i-ability yakhe ukuthi alinke nama-players. I mean, is a good pass off the ball futhi ama-short passes, ama-long passes u-good, u-strong futhi laphana in terms of ukuprotect ibhola. Ama-teammates wakhe uyathanda ukuthi adominate i-position overall. Ku-Sundowns-ke ujoyina obviously i-midfielder nabo Teboho Mokoena nabo Allende namanye nje ama-player ka-super talented kuMamelodi Sundowns. But kubonakala ngathi njengoba i-first game yakhe uthe efika eSouth Africa beyana 2 days or 3 days wadlala neGolden Arrows laba abashaya khona, and then the next few days wadlala waqala i-first game yakhe-ke laphana was against i-Richards Bay if angenzi iphutha. Yes, last game yabo laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns la bashaye khona amagoli amaningi. So i-player already uyabonisa i-contribution yakhe laphana ethimini ukuthi uzoba important. I mean, Mamelodi Sundowns badlala nge-transition phase fast. Ama-new players obviously kunama-new expectations overall. IMamelodi Sundowns obviously success laphana yizi overnight kuphela, but kumele basayine ama-quality players azokwazi ukuba ne-chemistry strong kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi baphushe for ama-results. I mean, for i-Yellow Nation obviously Mamelodi Sundowns, they are spoiled in terms of like ama-talent or ama-players a-talent laphana, ane-talent kakhulu azokwazi ukucontribute kuMamelodi Sundowns. So nalento leyo ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso azame ukukhuluma nama-fans ukuthi eze ey'tedium ndakwazi ukubasapota overall noma kunzima, i-statement esi-strong ngempela because uyazi ukuthi ama-fans akuyama-attack athi hayi ayikho-ke le ndaba yakho wena Miguel Cardoso. But-ke manje iMamelodi Sundowns as we speak bafethu ihleli phezulu le esicongweni ku-Betway Premiership, but siyazi ukuthi idlala ama-game amaningi compared to amanye ama-teams, but-ke sobona ukuthi lawo ma-teams azo-reacta kanjani overall. I mean, iMamelodi Sundowns i-ruthless bafethu ku-attack, i-clinical nalaphana phambili given a chance to do so. Bayabonisa ngempela ukuthi why they've remained like i-benchmark of South African football. But-ke ama-teams this season kumele nawo aphakamise izandla bafethu akwazi uku-challenge iMamelodi Sundowns, because man, you can't just sit and watch ngathi ubukela i-television. Compete mfethu, noma kuthiwa abantu ba-super talented kangakanani, but e-grounding is 11 versus 11. I mean, i-DNA yeMamelodi Sundowns vele sebajwayele ukusayina ama-player ase-South America, but-ke manje sebalanda ase-Europe. Yeah, overall Mamelodi Sundowns inama-quality players. Asikakamboni-ke nalo omunye bafethu uMiguel Resino, sisazombona naye, so kuzoba nzima. Kaze uzo-sacrifice abantu uMiguel Cardoso if uzofaka uResino laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. But asizibambe la, danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.